Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to another program, ISRA Academic Program. In this video, we're going to talk about a very interesting topic again. It is a verse in the Quran which is based on the creation of the universe. We can say, what does the six-day creation of the universe mean? Because the Quran uses the term 6 days there. We can refer to Surah Kaf 38, where it says, وَلَقَدْ خَلَّقْنَا السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَمَا بَيْنَهُمَا فِي سِتَّةِ أَيَّامٍ. Now, the term used there, ayyamin, means days. In fact, the verse says we created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. We can see this in the previous scriptures as well, such as the Torah and the Bible as well, the Injil, the Gospels. They all use the term, 6-day creation. What does it exactly mean? Does it really mean a day? When we use the term day in the sense of earthly days, the 24-hour cycles, it would not make sense because the earth was not even created then. The universe was, began to be created long before the Earth's creation. It's about 13.8 billion years ago. And if we look at the etymology of this term, in the Arabic language, the classical Arabic language, you will see the term yawm or ayyamin in plural means day, period, stage, specific period of time. All of these meanings are under this term. So we can say that the term used in the Quran for the creation of the universe is not actually an earth day. We can easily say that. It is more of a specific period of time or stages, 6 stages, which are equal periods of time. How can we, provide evidence to prove this argument? Well, in fact, maybe you will be hearing this for the first time. If you look at the life of the universe, which is 13.8 billion years according to modern astronomy or astrophysics, and if you divide 13.8 billion years into 6 equal stages, 13.8 divided by 6, you will see that in the math, the result you will have 2.3 billion years per each day, or each era, or each stage. 2.3 billion years. So there are equal 2.3 billion years. There are 6 of them that make up the creation of the period of the creation of the universe. But one might say, how does this, serve as an evidence for the Qur'anic verse? Well, there are 2 reasons. The first one is the Quran clearly mentions that the term day does not always mean earthly days. And one evidence for this you can find in Surah Ma'arij, verse 4, where the Quran says, angels and the Spirit ascend to him in a day which is 50,000 years of your time, earth time. So we can see that with the velocity of angels, time actually getting slower for them. For a time period of day for the angels, according to the Quran, is like 50,000 years of our time, earthly time. So in a way, the Quran here, 1400 years ago, is actually describing Albert Einstein's special relativity theory. It's very clear because according to Einstein's theory, which was put forward in 1905, as velocity increases, time slows down, and it's to do with light, the velocity of light there. But the Quran mentioned this, 1400 years ago, and the Quran says angels, ascend to him in a day, which is 50,000 of your years. So we can see the length of a day could vary, depends on velocity or depends on conditions as well. So it matches perfectly with astrophysics. But again, when you divide the 13.8 billion years into 6 days, 6 stages, each day turns out to be 2.3 billion years. And how can we prove this from a Qur'anic perspective? The answer is actually in Surah Fussilat, verse 9, which says, how can you disbelieve in the one, the Almighty Creator, who created the earth? Now, specifically, earth is mentioned here, earth in 2 days. I find that quite interesting because with the math that we did in regards to the life of the universe, which is a 13.8 billion years divided into 6, each day turns out to be 2.3 billion years. But the Quran says Earth was created specifically in 2 days. Now, 2.3 per day, and 2 days turns out to be 4.6 billion years, which is exactly what modern science says. And you can clearly see here that the Quranic version of the creation of the universe and the earth matches with modern science empirical data.